How to remove install on more devices Play Store problem. So if you want to remove install on more devices Play Store problem, then what you need to do is you can't do that from your Play Store or anything. You need to simply open up your browser. So open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'll be here with Chrome browser. Once you're here on the browser, you need to go for the search and you need to search for Play Store and you need to open it in the new tab. Open a new tab and then go for the new tab, and here make sure that you have logged into your account. So go for manage your Google account, or you just need to sign out of your account and you need to log into the account in which you are facing the problem. So for example, I'll be choosing an account. Once you've chosen, now what you need to do is you just need to go for the upper side profile again. Once you're on the profile, go for library and devices. Under that, here if you swipe right here on the last, you will have devices. Tap on devices option. Under devices, here you may have two devices, right? So if you have two devices, then you need to swipe right and you need to uncheck the device which you don't want. So for example, if you don't want the first device, tap on uncheck and your device settings has been updated. You can go back and restart your device and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can remove the install on more devices option on Play Store problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.